In this first scene, Julius Caesar had just killed Pompey and his son. As Julius Caesar defeated Pompey, he came back into Rome and the people of Rome cheered loudly for him. The soothsayer came into the party in Rome. He warned Julius Caesar and told him to beware the Ides of March. Cassius, a nobleman of Rome, he convinced Brutus, a good ally to Julius Caesar, to take down Caesar before he becomes a dictator of Rome. Julius Caesar was offered the crown 3 times, and he denied it 3 times. He felt like the crown was an unnecessary symbol. Cassius. He talked to Casca, another nobleman of Rome. He told him his plan on to take Julius Caesar down, but Casca did not want to take part of it.